Hello students, in previous class we have solved up to the fourth question and I had given that to solve the fifth question as a homework. Today we will see the question number 6. See the question. Find all the prime factors of find all the prime factors of 1729 and arrange them in ascending order. We have to find its all prime factors. You know that the method of finding the prime factors, one is using division method and other is using tree method. We have to find its factors. After that, now state relation if any between two consecutive prime factors. After that, we have to determine the relation between two consecutive prime factors. Now let's find its prime factors. Our number is 1729. Now we are going to factorize it using the division method. Now our number is 1729. If we will see its units place digit, then it is the 9, and 9 is not divisible by 2, so this number is not divisible by 2. Now if we will find its sum, then 1 plus 7 will be 8, 8 plus 2 9, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 9 19. 19 is not divisible by 3, so that's why it is not divisible by 3 also. Now turns for the 4, last two digits is not divisible by 4, so it is not divisible by 4. For the 5, here should be the 0 or 5, here is the 9, so it is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 2 and 3, so it is not divisible by 6 also. Now we are left with 7. When we will divide this number by the 7, so then we will get that the 247. If you want, then using long division you can divide it and you will see that you will get the 247. Now 247 is divisible by 13. When you will divide the 247 by the 13, our result will be 19. 19 is a prime number, so we will have to divide it by the 19 itself, then we will get the 1. So our factors are 7 into 13 into 19. If you want, then you can do it using tree method. See that 1729, when we will divide by 7 as a factor, then result will come 247. So its two factors are 7 and 247. 7 is a prime factor, so we don't have to do anything with it. Now 247 is not a prime number, so again we will have to divide it by any number. So 247 is divisible by 13. When we will divide it by the 13, our answer will be the 19. Now you can see that it both are the prime factors. It means that it is our answer. So our factors is 7 into 13 into 19. You can see that via both method you are getting the same factor, 7 into 13 into 19. We had to arrange them in ascending order. So you can see that we have arranged it 7 into 13 into 19. Now if you will subtract the 7 from the 13, then 13 minus 7 will be the 6, and if you will subtract the 13 from the 19, again you will get the 6. So you can see that the difference of both numbers are the 6. So that's why we will write that, and difference between two consecutive prime factors is 6. It is the relation between two consecutive numbers, two consecutive factors, which we had to determine. See the question number 4. The product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. Verify this statement with the help of some examples. We have to show that product of three consecutive numbers. It means that if we are multiplying any three consecutive number, then it is always divisible by 6. This thing we have to verify, this thing we have to show via the some examples. Now see that we have taken the some examples, and the first example is 2 into 3 into 4. you can see that these three numbers are the consecutive numbers 2 into 3 into 4. When we will multiply 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24, and you can see that 24 is divisible by 6, 6 4 are 24. Again take the another example, 4 5 6. These are the again consecutive numbers, 4 5 are 20, 26 are 120, and you can see that 120 is divisible by 2 and 3 both. That's why it is divisible by 6 also. Now again I have taken the another example. In it 5 into 6 into 7, these are three consecutive numbers. You can see that. Now 5 6 are 30 and 37 are will be the 210. 210 again is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so that is divisible by 6. In these three examples you can see that I have taken the three consecutive numbers and its product is always divisible by 6. So that's why we can write that the product of three consecutive numbers is always divisible by 6. This thing we had to verify it, so that's why I will write that the verified. You can see that always divisible by 6. Why it is divisible by 6? If we want to know, then you can see that if we are taking any three consecutive numbers, then always there is one is the multiple of 2 and one is the multiple of 3. You can see that 4 and 2 are the multiple of 2 and 3 is a multiple of 3. In it is the multiple of 2 and it is the multiple of 6. In it is the multiple of 2 and 3 both. So you can see that if we are taking any three consecutive numbers, then in it 2 and multiples of 2 and 3 we are getting. So and we know that if any number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it always will be divisible by 6. That's why the product of three consecutive number is always divisible by